In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PowerPoint not responding, not starting, or not opening on Windows 11. If PowerPoint freezes on launch, gets stuck on the loading screen, or simply refuses to open, don't worry. I'll walk you through several proven fixes step by step. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any solution. And if this helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is completely close PowerPoint using Task Manager. Sometimes PowerPoint is running in the background, and that's what causes it to freeze when you try to reopen it. To fix this, right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in Compact View, click on More Details. Now look for Microsoft PowerPoint in the list of running apps or background processes. Click on it, then select End Task. This will force close PowerPoint completely. Once you've done that, try opening PowerPoint again and see if the issue is resolved. If PowerPoint is still not responding, the next step is to update Microsoft Office. An outdated version can often cause startup problems or freezing issues. Open PowerPoint if you can. If it opens but freezes later, that's fine. Click on File in the top left corner, then go to Account. On the right-hand side, you'll see Update options. Click on it and then choose Update Now. Microsoft Office will begin checking for updates and install any available fixes. Let the update process complete fully, then restart your computer and try launching PowerPoint again. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the next fix is to disable hardware graphics acceleration. This is a very common cause of PowerPoint not responding, especially on Windows 11 systems with certain graphics drivers. Open PowerPoint, then click on File, go to Options, and then select Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Display section. Here, check the box that says Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Click OK to save the changes, then completely close and reopen PowerPoint. This setting reduces the load on your graphics card and often fixes freezing or startup crashes. If PowerPoint is still not opening properly, the issue may be caused by add-ins. Some third-party add-ins conflict with PowerPoint and prevent it from starting correctly. To disable them, open PowerPoint and click File, then Options, and then select Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, you'll see Manage. Make sure it says COM add-ins, then click Go. A new window will appear showing all active add-ins. Uncheck all of them to disable every add-in temporarily, then click OK. Close PowerPoint and open it again. If it works now, one of the add-ins was causing the problem. You can re-enable them one by one later to find the exact culprit. By following these 4 methods, ending the task from Task Manager, updating Microsoft Office, disabling hardware graphics acceleration, and disabling add-ins, you should be able to fix PowerPoint not responding or not opening on Windows 11 in most cases. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 and Microsoft Office troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.